So without the pencil, we can remove as well as against the cost. Is greater than equal to. Okay, I get it. Wait lang, so cool. Library done. I always leave at 3 p.m. sa library kasi sunduin ko na sa city. 3:30 ata siya mapatol. So tama lang yung biyahe ko kasi 30 minutes. Kung mag-CR ako, start lang dyan ko ay ang daming hangin. I'm at the second floor. So wala ang daan. And palobat na ako, so di ako sure kung mag-film ko pa yung pag-sundo ko kay city. I mean, I did charge my phone sa library, pero madali lang siya malubat. And mag-vlog ka, good, kasi kailangan malayo talaga kayo. Tiyan mo ha, ganitong level lang yung normal na paghawak ko sa phone. So ganyan siya, ganyan kalayo ang kailangan kong gawin. I'm so happy. I'm always, not always, yeah, but always. No, most of the time, I'm always alone after school. Kasi yung friends ko, siguro we're sort of friends. Half day siya, nag-carpool siya, and si Lian, she has other friends. It's fine with me. I really enjoy this. So nice. Can't do anything anymore. Another Ako lang yung mag-isa. Ang sakit ng tiyan ko, ay. Feeling ko kasi bakit na yung pata ko. It's colder. You can't see my whole outfit though. Okay, let's go now. Uwi na tayo. Let's fetch City first. See, isn't this just beautiful? And then, aking hair. Oh my God, nalagi skin ko. Sunscreen siguro ito na ginamit ko. So, wala lang. Nandito ako sa taas to. Kita mo siya ito. Papunta kay City, ang sakyan ko kay Ulas and Doreen. Ulas or Doreen. So I usually just ride Ulas. Felicity! Oh my gosh. Nabihin ako na bawal pala ako dito. It's Lord City! Saan ka galing? Sian. Naghabol ako sa'yo. Sabi niyang na bawal pala ako dito. There? Oh. I saw you. Say hi. Hi! Hi to my vlog. Hi! We have to sakay Amatina, Pangin, or anything basta hindi maa or round. Dapat nagsakay na tayo kanina. Ang Manila pa. Hello! So awkward. Yeah. So awkward. It says, Nursing number 1. Nursing bag. Sakayan ng tricycle. It's a hot afternoon. Let's go. Going home na. This is our way home. Step. this is the time that I'm gonna end my video. Hindi ko na salihin kung ano yung gawin ko sa bahay.
Because that's secret.
Yeah, that's still part of me being a senior high school student. Like, I still have to do my assignments. I have to prepare my uniform. As a senior high school student pa rin yun. Pero, I think that's enough vlogging for today. I enjoyed it so much. I treated it as a challenge. It's my first time vlogging in public. Diba? So yeah, I'm looking forward to more vlogs in the future. And I'm really glad that I was able to do this at school. So first day ko and then first time ko. And nagawa ko siya kahit ilang clips man lang sa loob ng school or sa classroom. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. If you watch this and if you get to the end of the video, thank you so much for your patience. Bye!
Bye!